Hello friends, welcome to my channel Medical with Sanju. If you are new at my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. The first question of set 3A is, the following symptoms are related to ectopic pregnancy except option acute abdominal pain with history of amenorrhea, option B abdominal pain and bleeding per vagina, option C fainting attack and shoulder tip pain, option D painless continued vaginal bleeding. Ectopic pregnancy भनेको implantation occurred outside the uterus, and the ectopic pregnancy is also known as extrauterine pregnancy, and the most common site of ectopic pregnancy is fallopian tube, and the fallopian tube pregnancy is also known as tubal pregnancy. The main symptoms of ectopic pregnancy is severe pain. यहाँ क्वेसनले भनेको छ सबै सिम्पटम्स इक्टोपिक प्रेग्नेन्सीको हो तर कुन होइन एक्सेप्ट भनेको छ, त्यही भएर द राइट आन्सर इज अप्सन डी पेनलेस कन्टिन्यू भेजाइनल ब्लिडिङ. यहाँ पेनलेस भनेको छ तर पेनलेस हुँदैन, पेनफुल हुन्छ. नेक्स्ट क्वेसन, विच वान अफ द फलोइङ पेयर इज नट करेक्टली म्याच्ड? अप्सन्स एनेमिया इन प्रेग्नेन्सी प्रिटर्म लेबर, डायबिटिज इन प्रेग्नेन्सी फिटल मैक्रोसोमिया, rheumatic heart disease unexplained stillbirth, hypertension in pregnancy IUGR, that is intrauterine growth retardation. एनेमिया छ प्रेग्नेन्ट मदरमा भने पिटम लेबर हुने चान्सेस हुन्छ, डायबिटिज छ भने फिटल मैक्रोसोमिया हुने चान्सेस हुन्छ, हाइपरटेन्सनमा IUGR हुने चान्सेस हुन्छ, डिस्कमा हुन्छ. तर र्युमेटिक हार्ट डिजिजमा अनएक्सप्लेन्ड स्टिलबर्थ हुँदैन, यो पेयर चाहिँ म्याच भएन, त्यही भएर द राइट आन्सर इज अप्सन सी र्युमेटिक हार्ट डिजिज. नेक्स्ट क्वेसन, expected date of delivery EDD is calculated by the following methods. Options by adding 9 calendar month and 7 days to the first day of LMP, option B by adding 9 calendar month and 7 days to the last date of LMP, option C by adding 22 weeks to the date of quickening in primigravida, option D by adding 266 days to the day of fruitful coitus. The right answer is option A by adding 9 calendar month and 7 days to the last day of LMP. मैले EDD को क्लास लिइसकेको छु. इफ हजुरहरूले हेर्नु भएको छैन भने भिडियोमा गएर EDD भिडियोमा गएर हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ डिटेलमा. नेक्स्ट क्वेसन, सेफ इफेक्टिभ एन्ड एक्सेप्टेबल कन्ट्रासेप्टिभ इन वुमेन ओभर 40 इयर्स इज? अप्सन ब्यारियर कन्ट्रासेप्टिभ, अप्सन बी कम्बाइन्ड इस्ट्रोजेन प्रोजेस्टेरोन पिल्स, अप्सन सी progestin only pills, option D intrauterine device. The right answer is option C progestin only pills. कतिजनाले इन्ट्रायुटराइन डिभाइसमा लगाउन सक्छ झुकेर, किनभने इन्ट्रायुटराइन डिभाइस पनि लङ टाइमसम्मको लागि हुन्छ, तर इन्ट्रायुटराइन डिभाइस भने 50 to 55 इयर्समा रिमुभ गर्नुपर्छ, तर प्रोजेस्टिन युज गर्न सक्छ अन्टिल द एज अफ 55. सो द बेस्ट आन्सर इज अप्सन सी प्रोजेस्टिन ओन्ली पिल्स. Next question, commonest complication following first trimester MTP medical termination of pregnancy is? commonest complication कुन हो MPT को? option significant hemorrhage, option B sepsis, option C incomplete abortion, option D uterine perforation. The right answer is option C incomplete abortion. यो सबै कम्प्लिकेसन अफ MTP नै हो तर कमन भनेको incomplete abortion. नेक्स्ट क्वेसन, द चिफ फंक्शन अफ प्रोजेस्टेरोन इज द? ऑप्शन डेभलपमेन्ट अफ द फिमेल रिप्रोडक्टिभ सिस्टम, ऑप्शन बी स्टिमुलेशन अफ द फोलिकल फॉर ओभुलेशन टू अकर, ऑप्शन सी प्रिपरेशन अफ द यूटेरस टू रिसीव अ फर्टिलाइज्ड, ऑप्शन डी एस्टैब्लिशमेंट अफ सेकेंडरी मेल सेक्स कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी प्रिपरेशन अफ द यूटेरस टू रिसीव अ फर्टिलाइज्ड एग. अप्सन एमा भनेको छ डेभलपमेन्ट अफ फिमेल रिप्रोडक्टिभ सिस्टम, यो सेक्स हर्मोन इस्ट्रोजेन एन्ड प्रोजेस्टेरोनले गर्छ र मेल रिप्रोडक्टिभ सिस्टम भनेको टेस्टोस्टेरोनले हेल्प गर्छ. अप्सन बीमा भनेको छ ओभुलेसन, ओभुलेसन ल्युटिनाइजिङ हर्मोनले गराउँछ. अप्सन डीमा भनेको छ सेकेन्डरी मेल सेक्स क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक्स जुन टेस्टोस्टेरोनले गराउँछ र सेकेन्डरी फिमेल सेक्स क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक्स भनेको एस्ट्रोजेन र प्रोजेस्टेरोनले गराउँछ. नेक्स्ट क्वेसन, द नर्स इज अवेयर डाइट एन्ड एडप्टेसन अफ प्रेग्नेन्सी इन एन इन्क्रिज्ड ब्लड सप्लाई टु द पेल्भिक रिजन डाइट रिजल्ट इन पर्पुलस डिस्कलोरेसन अफ द भेजाइनल म्युकोसा विच इज नोन एज? अप्सन लर्जिङ साइन, अप्सन बी हेगार साइन, अप्सन सी गुडेल साइन, अप्सन डी चार्डविक साइन। राइट एन्सर इज अप्सन डी चार्डविक साइन। लर्जिङ साइन भनेको यो रिप्रोडक्टिभ सिस्टममा पर्दैन। हेगार साइन भनेको सपनिङ अफ द लोअर युटेराइन सेगमेन्ट एन्ड गुडेल साइन भनेको सपनिङ अफ सर्भिक्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेसन, द पोस्टपार्टम न्यूनेट विथ मेकेनियम स्टेन्ड एमनियोटिक फ्लुइड नीड्स केयर डिजाइन्ड टु स्पेशली मोनिटर फर विच अफ द फलोइङ? अप्सन्स respiratory problem, option B gastrointestinal problems, option C integumentary problems, option D cardiovascular problems. The right answer is option A respiratory problems. Next question, women in active labor develop symptoms like sweating, dry tongue and dehydration with decreased urinary output and presence of acetone in urine. What may be the cause? Options: fetal distress, maternal distress, active labor pain, false labor pain. The right answer is option B maternal distress. If fetal distress हुन्थ्यो भने fetal heart rate decrease भएको हुन्छ, active labor pain मा regular uterine contraction हुन्छ र false labor pain मा irregular uterine contraction भइरहेको हुन्छ। Next question, which of the following is not true regarding anatomy of female reproductive system? Options: external genitalia is collectively known as vulva. Option B clitoris is female erectile tissue homologous to penis. Option C normal position of uterus is anti-flexed and inverted. Option D ovulation is a process of formation of mature ovum in a Graafian follicles. The right answer is option D ovulation is a process of formation of a mature ovum in a Graafian follicle. यो सबै ABCD सबै राइट दिएको छ, तर यहाँ एनाटोमी सोधेको छ, तर डी भनेको ओभुलेसन दिएको छ। ओभुलेसन इज अ प्रोसेस नट एनाटोमी। त्यही भएर द राइट एन्सर इज अप्सन डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेसन, all of the following are major risk factors for non-communicable disease morbidity and premature mortality except option cigarette use and other form of smoking, option B alcohol abuse, option C illiterate, option D excess fat intake. Morbidity भनेको disease condition and mortality भनेको death. The right answer is option D excess fat intake. Next question, which of the following disease is considered as a key indicator of lack of social development? Options: measles, tuberculosis, diabetes mellitus, cholera. The right answer is option D cholera. Cholera remains a global threat to public health and lack of social development. Next question, which of the following method is not effective in prevention and control of hookworm infestation in the community? Options: wearing of footwear, safe water supply, health education, sanitary disposal of fishes. The right answer is option B safe water supply. Hookworm transmitted by walking barefoot or contaminated soil बाट, त्यही भएर फुट वेयरिङबाट प्रिभेन्ट गर्न सकिन्छ, हेल्थ एजुकेसनबाट प्रिभेन्ट गर्न सकिन्छ, स्यानिटरी डिस्पोजल फिसेसबाट प्रिभेन्ट हुन सकिन्छ, तर सेफ वाटर सप्लाई यसमा चाहिँ इफेक्टिभ भएन। त्यही भएर राइट एन्सर इज अप्सन बी सेफ वाटर सप्लाई। नेक्स्ट क्वेसन, पेसेन्ट इन सक इन्क्लुड अल अफ द फलोइङ एक्सेप्ट अप्सन्स क्वाइट इन्भाइरोमेन्ट, option B head raised position, option C body heat maintaining, option D provide food and oxygen. The right answer is option B head raised position. सकको बेलामा टेन्डन बर्ड्स पोजिसन्स मेन्टेन गर्नुपर्छ। अप्सन बी मा हेड राइट पोजिसन भनेको छ, यो हुँदैन, यो जस्ट अपोजिट भयो। नेक्स्ट क्वेसन, which of the following is not a consequence of global warming? Options: rising sea level, option B increased agriculture productivity, option C worsening health effect, option D increased storm frequency and intensity. The right answer is option B increased agriculture productivity. Next question, which of the following is related with protein deficiency severe edema, hair discoloration but can be reversed with a high protein diet? Option: kwashiorkor, option B marasmus, option C stunting and option D underweight. The right answer is option A kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor is protein deficiency. Marasmus भनेको deficiency of calorie and energy, and stunting and underweight is a symptoms. Next question, After eating something, a man develops swelling face and lips, respiratory distress, intense pruritus, hypotension. The mostly likely diagnosis is options: myocardial infarction, option B choking, option C anaphylaxis, option D depression. The right answer is option C anaphylaxis. Next question. All of the following drugs are mainly toxic to vestibular system except options: streptomycin, minomycin, gentamicin, kanamycin. The right answer is option B, minomycin. Next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding IUCD, intrauterine contraceptive device? Options: there are small pieces of plastic metal that are inserted into uterus. Option B, they should be removed only by a healthcare provider. Option C, IUCD offers protection from sexual transmitted disease. Option D, IUCD prevent pregnancy by creating a mild chronic inflammation. The right answer is option C, IUCD offers protection from sexual transmitted disease. Sexual transmitted disease बाट protection दिदैन IUCD ले. Next question. Active management of third stage of labor include all except option IV oxytocin, option B control contraction, option C uterine massage, option D suprapubic massage. The right answer is option D suprapubic massage. Total 3 point हुन्छ थर्ड स्टेज अफ एक्टिभ थर्ड स्टेज अफ लेबरको लागि र त्यसमा सुप्राप्युबिक मसाज आउँदैन. नेक्स्ट क्वेसन. Yellow color of corpus luteum is due to option accumulation of fatty granules, option B vitamin A lipofuscin, option C cholesterol, option D carotene. The right answer is option D carotene. Carotene ले गर्दा corpus luteum को color yellow हुन्छ. Next question. A 30 years old multipara complain of white discharge per vagina for 2 years. The most likely cause is option acute vaginitis, option B chronic cervicitis, option C genital prolapse, option D irritant vaginal duct. The right answer is option B chronic cervicitis. Next question. A client who is unconscious need frequent mouth care. When performing a mouth care, the best position of a client is option flower position, option B side lying position, option C supine position, option D tender bird position. The right answer is option B side lying position mention गर्नुपर्छ. Next question. Which of the following statement is absolutely not true regarding NAN, Nursing Association of Nepal? Options. NAN is only one professional organization of the nurse in Nepal. Option B, it is non-political, non-sector organization. Option C, NAN was established in BS 2018 March 15. Option D, it received member of ICN in 1979 AD. The right answer is option D. It received member of ICN in 1979 AD. यो चाहिँ NAN सँग रिलेटेड छैन. Next question. Which of the following statement is not true regarding nervous system of human? Option. Neuron is a structural and functional unit of nervous system. Option B. Meninges is a covering of brain. Option C. Medulla oblongata is a vital center of brain. Option D. Cerebrum, also called little brain. The right answer is option D. Cerebrum, also called little brain. Little brain भनेको cerebellumलाई भन्छ र cerebrum भनेको large part of the brain हुन्छ. Next question. The client with a hyperemesis gravidarum is at risk for developing options. Respiratory alkalosis without dehydration. Option B. Metabolic acidosis with dehydration. Option C. Respiratory acidosis without dehydration. Option D. Metabolic alkalosis with dehydration. Hyperemesis gravidarum भनेको excess vomiting र vomiting छ भने acidosis हुन्छ. So the right answer is option B. Metabolic acidosis with dehydration. Next question. Which of the following signs and symptoms would nurse include in teaching plan as an early manifestation of laryngeal cancer? Options. Stomatitis. Option B. Airway obstruction. Option C. Hoarseness. Option D. Dysphagia. The right answer is option C. Hoarseness. Next question. Which of the following would the nurse assess in a client experiencing abruptive placenta? Abruptive placenta भनेको premature separation of a normally implant placenta. Options: bright red painless vagina bleeding. Option B, concealed or external dark red placenta. Option C, soft and non-tender abdomen. Option D, headache with abdominal pain. The right answer is option B, concealed or external dark red placenta. Next question. The nurse is aware that children born with a missing chromosome are mostly likely to have options: cretinism. Option B, Down syndrome. Option C, phenylketonuria. Option D, Turner syndrome. The right answer is option D, Turner syndrome. क्रिटिनिज्म भनेको थाइरोइडको डिफिसियन्सी, हाइपोथाइरोइडिज्मलाई क्रिटिनिज्म भन्छ। डाउन सिन्ड्रोम भनेको 21 नम्बरको क्रोमोजोम कपी भएको हुन्छ, एक्स्ट्रा भएको हुन्छ, यसलाई ट्राइसोमी 21 पनि भन्छ। र मिसिङ क्रोमोजोम भनेको टर्नर सिन्ड्रोम। नेक्स्ट क्वेसन। 24 hours after delivery, the uterus of the woman is formed and displaced in the right side 2 finger below umbilicus. It is due to options: fully bladder. Option B, retention of bladder. Option C, normal process. Option D, PPH. The right answer is normal process. यो normal process हो। Next question. A 36 years old female complains headache and neck pain. The nurse assessment reverses painful flexion of the neck to the chest. The nurse understands that neutral rigidity associated with option: brain tumor. Option B, CVA. Option C, meningitis. Option D, subdural hematoma. The right answer is option C, meningitis. Meningitis मा neutral rigidity हुन्छ। Next question. Mona Lisa with severe head injury is being monitored by the nurse for increasing intracranial pressure, ICP. Which findings should be most indicative sign of increasing intracranial pressure? Option: intermittent tachycardia. Option B, polydipsia. Option C, tachypnea. Option D, increased restlessness. The right answer is option D, increased restlessness. Next question. Which breathing technique should the nurse instruct the client to use as the head of the fetus is crowning? Crowning भनेको mechanism of labor को 5th नम्बरमा आउँछ, 5th step हो। First one is engagement, then descent, then flexion, then internal rotation of head, and the 5th नम्बरमा क्राउनिङ आउँछ। क्राउनिङ भनेको हेड पार्ट जो भिजिबल हुन्छ, बर्थ क्यानलमा भिजिबल हुन्छ, त्यो भनेको क्राउनिङ हो। क्राउनिङ भएको बेलामा कस्तो किसिमको ब्रिदिङ टेक्निक गर्न भन्छ डाक्टरले अथवा नर्सले? यहाँ अप्सन दिएको छ: स्यालो, अप्सन बी ब्लोइङ, अप्सन सी स्लो चेस्ट, अप्सन डी मोडिफाइड पेस्ट। द राइट आन्सर इज ब्लोइङ। ब्लोइङ ब्रिदिङ गर्न भन्छ त्यतिखेर, यो लङ एक्सरसाइजको लागि। Next question. What is the recommended age of vaccination against HPV? Options: first year of life. Option B, 9 to 13 years of age. Option C, 9 months. Option D, 1 to 5 years. The right answer is option B, 9 to 13 years of age. HPV भनेको ह्युमन पेपिलोमा भाइरस र यसको एज हुन्छ 9 to 13 years एजमा चाहिँ यो दिने गर्छ। नेक्स्ट क्वेसन. A 3 years old child present to you with complaint of inability to walk for last 7 days. On examination, you find that the child has a flaccid left lower limb with absent deep tendon reflexes. Which one of the following is the most likely diagnosis? Options: poliomyelitis. Option B, GB syndrome. Option C, transverse myelitis. Option D, hypokalemia. The right answer is option B, GB syndrome. Next question. Which of the following drug is used in organophosphate poisoning? Options: atropine. Option B, cyanobalamine. Option C, arginine. Option D, phenobarbital. The right answer is option A, atropine. Next question. Cerebral malaria is caused by options: P. falciparum. Option B, P. vivax. Option C, P. oval. Option D, P. malaria. The right answer is option A, P. falciparum. Next question. Most common malignancy seen in AIDS patient is option: renal cell carcinoma. Option B, colon carcinoma. Option C, lymphoma. Option D, Kaposi's sarcoma. The right answer is option D, Kaposi sarcoma. Sarcoma is a tumor of option epithelium, disruption, nervous tissue, mesenchymal tissue. The right answer is option D, mesenchymal tissue. Sarcoma is a tumor of mesenchymal tissue and the epithelial tissue को cancer like carcinoma tumor भन्छ. Next question. In blood transfusion terminology, universal recipients are people whose blood group is options O, option B मा A, option C B, option D AB. The right answer is option D AB. र डोनरलाई O ग्रुपले डोनेट गर्छ. Next question. Induction of labor at time is indicated in all of the following except. Induction of labor सबै पेशेन्टमा गर्छ, कुनमा गरिदैन. Options hypertension, option B diabetes mellitus, option C heart disease, option D renal disease. The right answer is option C heart disease. Contraindicated हुन्छ induction of labor को लागि. Next question. The first step in management of eclampsia is. Eclampsia भनेको pre-eclampsia with seizure. Pre-eclampsia भनेको hypertension, त्यसमा edema र proteinuria भएको हुन्छ. The first step कुन हुन्छ management को लागि eclampsia मा? Option termination of pregnancy, option B transfusion of blood, option C rehydration with IV fluid, option D magnesium sulfate injection. The right answer is option D magnesium sulfate injection. Next question. Normal fetal heart rate at 37 to 40 weeks of pregnancy is options 18 to 120 per minute, 120 to 160 per minute, 140 to 180 per minute, 160 to 200 per minute. The right answer is option B 120 to 160 per minute. Next question. Maximum incidence of congenital malformation is seen during pregnancy with infection of option CMV, option B syphilis, option C rubella, option D toxoplasmosis. The right answer is option C rubella. यो फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर्समा लाग्दा मोर डेन्जर हुन्छ. नेक्स्ट क्वेसन. मिनिमम ड्युरेसन बिट्विन अनसेट अफ सिम्पटम्स एन्ड डेथ इज सिन इन option APH, option B PPH, option C septicemia, option D obstructed labor. The right answer is PPH. PPH मा एकदम सर्ट ड्युरेसन हुन्छ डेथको लागि. नेक्स्ट क्वेसन. Which of the following is the sure sign of intrauterine death? Option gas in aorta, option B absence of fetal movement, option C Spalding sign, option D failure of growth of uterus. The right answer is option C Spalding sign. यो भनेको sign हो जुन overlapping of the fetus is called bone caused by collapse of the fetal brain र यो appear हुन्छ after death in uterus. Next question. Commonest cause of suicide. Option schizophrenia, option B dementia, option C alcohol dependence, option D depression. The right answer is option D depression. Depression मा आएर mostly personally suicide गर्छ. Next question. The most common eye problem is option cataract, option B trachoma, option C xerophthalmia, option D refractive error. The right answer is D refractive error. Next question. Which of the following factors have been demonstrated to promote wound healing in a normal individual? Option vitamin A supplementation, option B vitamin E application to wound, option C zinc supplementation, and option D none of the above. The right answer is option C zinc supplementation. यो wound healing को लागि plus diarrhea मा पनि use गर्छ zinc supplementation. Next question. In area with fluoride rich water, the defluoridation of water which level of prevention? Option primary prevention, option B secondary prevention, option C tertiary prevention, option D primordial prevention. The right answer is option A primary prevention. Prevention total चारवटा हुन्छ प्राइमरी, सेकेन्डरी, टर्सियरी एन्ड प्रिमिडियल. प्रिमिडियल फर्स्टमा आउँछ. यो भनेको वाटर फ्लोराइडेसन डिफ्लोराइडेसन भनेको त्यो फर्स्ट प्रिभेन्सनमा आउँछ. नेक्स्ट क्वेसन. द चान्स अफ परफोरेसन अफ एपेन्डिक्स इन एक्युट एपेन्डिसाइटिस इज हाई इन अप्सन्स डायबिटिज पेसेन्ट, अप्सन बी ओबिज पेसेन्ट, अप्सन सी स्पट मिन, Option D, any patient who present after 48 hours. The right answer is option D, any patient who present after 48 hours. Next question, eye transplantation means lens, pupil, cornea, retina. Eye transplantation garda cornea transplant garcha. So the right answer is option C, cornea. Next question, which is the commonest area of anterior epistaxis? Epistaxis भनेको nose bleeding. Options, little area. Option B, woodruff area. Option C, posterior superior part. Option D, anterior superior part. The right answer is option A, little area. Next question, an 18 years old boy hears voice discussing him as third person. He is suffering from option schizophrenia, option B mania, option C depression, option D TLE. The right answer is option A, schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a mental problem. यसका डिफरेन्ट टाइपहरू हुन्छ र ऑडिटरी schizophreniaमा hear voice हुन्छ. Auditory schizophrenia is the most common type of schizophrenia. Next question, an elderly multipara come with the complaining of backache and something coming out per vagina. The likely diagnosis is option fibroid, option B cervical polyps, option C uterine prolapse, option D osteoarthritis. The right answer is option C uterine prolapse. Next question, a lady at 28th day postpartum come with urinary incontinence and give history of obstructed liver. The likely diagnosis is options vesicovagina fistula, option B stress incontinence, option C overflow incontinence, option D bladder rupture. The right answer is option A vesicovaginal fistula. Next question, a 25 years old lady with amenorrhea for 2 months come in emergency with severe pain lower abdomen and vaginal bleeding. What is the possible cause? Option ectopic pregnancy, option B threatened abortion, option C missed abortion, option D antepartum hemorrhage. The right answer is option A ectopic pregnancy. यहाँ सिभियर पेन दिएको छ, एब्डोमिनल पेन भइरहेको छ, भेजाइनल ब्लिडिङ छ, यो सबै सिम्पटम्स इक्टोपिक प्रेग्नेन्सीको हो. नेक्स्ट क्वेसन, द नर्स इज प्रिपेयरिङ टु टेक भाइटल साइन इन एन अलर्ट क्लाइन्ट एडमिटेड to the hospital with dehydration secondary to vomiting and diarrhea. What is the best method used to assess the client's temperature? Option A oral, option B axillary, option C rectal, option D ear. The right answer is option B axillary. Oral मा टेम्परेचर लिन मिल्दैन, यहाँ कन्ट्राइन्डिकेटेड हुन्छ किनभने भोमिटिङ को केस छ. आइन रेक्टलमा पनि लिन मिल्दैन, कन्ट्राइन्डिकेटेड हुन जान्छ ड्यू टु डायरिया. एन्ड एयरमा टेम्परेचर मोस्टली लिँदैन. सो द राइट आन्सर इज अप्सन बी एक्जिलरी. नेक्स्ट क्वेसन, वाट इज द फलोइङ स्टेटमेन्ट इज नट करेक्ट? अप्सन्स, thermoregulation is done by hypothalamus. Option B, the major electrolyte in the extracellular fluid is sodium. Option C, the muscle fatting is due to the accumulation of lactic acid. Option D, glomerular filtration rate is 180 ml per day. कुन करेक्ट होइन भनेको छ? The right answer is option D, glomerular filtration rate is 180 ml per day. यो चाहिँ इनकरेक्ट हो किनभने 180 लिटर हुन्छ पर डेमा. पर डेमा 180 ml हुँदैन. नेक्स्ट क्वेसन, which of the following is the recent CPR contraceptive prevalence rate of Nepal? Option 40%, option B 43%, option C 49%, option D 62%. The right answer is option B 43%. Next question, diet to be prescribed in hypertension. Option fruit, vegetables and low salt diet. Option B protein, fibers and low salt diet. Option C carbohydrate, fiber and low salt diet. Option D fruits, vegetables and low fat dairy foods. The right answer is option D. Hypertension को बेलामा fruits, vegetables and low fat dairy food prescribe गर्छ. Next question, natural family planning does not include option terminal method, basal body temperature method, cervical mucus method, sympothermic method. The right answer is option A, terminal method is not a natural planning, family planning method. Next question. Mechanism of IUCD are all except intrauterine contraceptive device. Options: increase cervical mucus. Option B, local foreign body like reaction. Option D, decrease diameter of fallopian tube. Option D, make endometrium unfavorable for implantation. The right answer is option C, decrease diameter of fallopian tube. Next question. What is the best indicator to evaluate obstetric and neonatal care given at around the time of birth? Option IMR. Option B, perinatal mortality rate. Option C, UFABMR. Option D, stillbirth rate. The right answer is option B, perinatal mortality rate. Next question. A woman suffering from active tuberculosis not on ATT has a full-term vaginal delivery. All of the following will be done except options: breastfeed the neonate. Option B, BCG should be given to the neonate. Option C, neonate should be given INH. Option D, neonate should be isolated from mother. The right answer is option D, neonate should be isolated from mother. Next question. If the weight is 3 kg by the end of 1 year of age, it should become option 6 kg, 9 kg, 12 kg, 15 kg. The right answer is 9 kg. 5 to 6 month मा बेबी को वेट डबल हुन्छ र 1 year मा ट्रिपल वेट हुन्छ, त्यही भएर 3:3 is equal to 9 kg. The right answer is 9 kg. Next question. Integrated Management of Childhood Illness IMCI was taken to prevent morbidity and mortality from all except options: malaria, malnutrition, pneumonia, neonatal tetanus. The right answer is option D, neonatal tetanus. IMCI मा 5 वटा डिजिज आउँछ: pneumonia, diarrhea, malaria, measles and malnutrition. यो टिटानस यसमा पर्दैन. Next question. All are included in kangaroo mother care except options: skin to skin contact. Option B, yearly test and follow up. Option C, free nutritional supplements. Option D, exclusive breastfeeding. The right answer is option C, free nutritional supplements. यो चाहिँ kangaroo mother care KMC मा हुँदैन. Next question. Pasteurization by Halder method is heating milk at option 60 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Option B, 65 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Option C, 100 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Option D, 136 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. The right answer is option B, 65 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Next question. All are examples for food fortification except option iodization of salt. Option B, vitamin A in vanaspati. Option C, fluoridation of water. Option D, saffron color in milk. Fortification भनेको फुडमा एक्स्ट्रा फुड थपेर त्यसको लेभल बढाउनु. सो यसमा सबै इक्जाम्पल मिल्छ, कुन इक्जाम्पल होइन एक्सेप्ट भनेको छ. Right answer is option D, saffron color in milk. This is not example of food fortification. Next question. When there is a contact between two people with different type of culture, there is diffusion of culture both way, which is known as options: socialization. Option B, acculturation. Option C, adjustment. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option B, acculturation. Next question. Which of the following method is used for the estimation of chlorine demand of water? Option: chlorometer. Option B, Horrocks apparatus. Option C, Burke-Field filter. Option D, double pot method. The right answer is option B, Horrocks apparatus. Next question. The amount of sewage flowing in a system in 24 hours is called option: sewage rate. Option B, dry weather flow. Option C, RCA index. Option D, sludge. The right answer is option B, dry weather flow. Next question. Best approach to control of arthropods is? Options: environmental control, option B chemical control, option C biological control, option D genetic control. The right answer is option A environmental control. Next question. During a disaster, repeatedly classifying the injured on the basis of likelihood of their survival with prompt medical intervention is a part of option search, rescue and first aid, option B tries, option C tagging, option D disaster mitigation. The right answer is option B tries. एनएनसी को एक्जाममा टोटल 150 क्वेसन सोध्छ। सेट 3A मा मैले 75 वटा क्वेसन इन्क्लुड गरेको छु। भिडियो लामो हुन जान्छ, त्यही भएर बाँकी क्वेसन सेट 3B मा इन्क्लुड गरेछु। थ्याङ्क यू सो मच।